welcome back to Bootleg Garage. Today we're doing a tune-up on the 2014 Jeep JK, and here's all the parts we need. What we'll do first is do the passenger side first, since it's easy to get to. It's 3 coils on this side, and then the pain in the butt side is going to be the driver's side. Got to take the plenum off. I have new seals for that. So let's go ahead and get started then, shall we? Book says like 5 hours on this. I'm gonna see if we can't do a little bit faster time than that. Passenger side should take like a half hour, if that. But I'll have to take the intake off, take the brackets to hold the beauty cover on, take this foam piece out that's not even attached, and there's supposed to be a foam piece right down under here, but the last idiots that worked on this vehicle forgot to put it back in. And we got some lines, some wires and stuff. They need to come off. It should be pretty well straightforward. And just move them out of your way. Get a tool to pull out all the Christmas trees. And we have special tools for the hoses right here and here. And pull these off. Alright, so let me go ahead and start tearing stuff apart. I don't want this being a 5-hour video. We'll just make it like a half-hour video, if that. Hopefully faster. So we'll be right back with you. Alright, now we're back to the tune-up on the 2014 JKU. These are the old plugs here. I've already done the install. I know I told you guys I was going to show you everything, but ran into some snags that day. I don't know if you can see these very well, but they put in auto light spark plugs. Don't know why. So I went and got the Champions. Let's see if we can focus. These are the 9407s, Champion. And their part number is right there too. Hopefully it comes in clear where you can read it. And then I had another issue on one of the coils that broke. Try and pull this out by pliers and stuff. Nope, just keeps breaking. So what we did is, I had my brother, since he's the mechanic of the family, what he did is put some PB blaster right down the hole. That way it would pop right out, and it popped right out. And then I went and bought the Ultima coil on plug insulator. These are like $10 for one. If you buy all 6 of them, they are $38, $40 for 6. Let's say $10 for one. I had ordered, there's the part number there. I had ordered 6 of them that day I was doing it. And the other 5 came out fine. This is the only one that, so I went back and replaced it, swapped it out. But other than that, Jeep runs a lot better now with normal Chrysler parts in it, not Ford parts. So leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. And if I had skipped anything, besides most of the install. Leave me a comment. Tell me how dumb I am. Because I'm sure there'll be a lot of questions about that one. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Have a good day. Bye.